Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar, and it is Wednesday, October the 8th. And it's time to do the recap. Let's just dive right in. Let's do the good. Let's do the bad first. Let's do the bad first. I definitely am having some FOMO recording this. Like the FOMO was real today. We had an overnight session where I got really upset, and I probably, my own fault, but my Fund of Future accounts, this is the second round that I've tried to pass these My Fund of Future accounts. I was up 1,500 yesterday on them. I needed 1,500 more today, and then they were passed and they were funded. I was really trying to get that done, and went in with too big size. It's my own fault, but I was literally a little bit over $100 away from passing them on this move lower. And of course, we bounced like a rocket ship right here. And I ended up adding to the position, yada, yada. End up actually blowing the accounts. And that was super frustrating. I do know I'm still doing my juice cleanse, and I can just feel that I'm getting more, like, easier irritated than normal. I can just feel it. And when that happened this morning, I decided, you know what? I'm going to just lock my funded accounts out for the day. And I did. So I locked out my funded accounts for the day. The reason these Apex accounts are just $8 red, I was testing to see if I was for sure locked out. And when you do that, it will record your, commissions. So anyway, that's what those are. But yeah, I was very frustrated. Literally needed a couple more ticks, and I would have had those passed. And honestly, would have been a really good day. Now it's just kind of a good day. It's still a good day. But the New York session was crazy. As you can see here, I mean, we just kept going higher. It was wild. I feel like I should have traded this more, and I was kind of wishing I hadn't locked myself out. But hindsight is always 20/20, and I'm not going to look back, because who knows? This morning I was very bearish. And this afternoon, then finally, I was like, okay, I'm going to just join the longs. But I traded just a little bit, not much. Could have gotten so much more. But I decided, you know what? Let's just walk away. Let's not push the envelope. I just had that feeling that this thing could roll over this afternoon. So I didn't do it, but man, there were a lot of good trade opportunities today that I kind of feel like I missed out on. It's not a lot of times recently where we've just had a move higher all day long. And I had some really good setups off of this 5-minute 21 EMA. Had some really nice setups, but it is what it is. Still not this. I'm still happy with how the day ended. So, update on the Influencer Cup. This is our second day trading this Influencer Cup. We're about halfway there to passing. We still got a long ways to go, though. But basically, I don't know. I think right now in 5th place or something like that. So hopefully we can get all these trade day accounts passed. I don't know what I'm going to do about my Fund of Futures. Just was not in the mood to start those up again today. So I don't know. I might try it again if they have a promotion or something going, but I just get tired of trying to pass evals once I fail a couple times, and I'm just done. So I'm just going to leave it that way for now. And we're making good progress on our Take Profit Trader accounts. 7,200. We need $1,800 more and 2 more days traded, and then we will have these Take Profit Trader accounts passed, which we are not even we are not even going to talk about Take Profit Trader. We're not going to talk about funded accounts with them at all. We're at that stage where there's no talking about it until we finally do something about it. So we're slowly making progress. I wish, I feel like, yeah, if I could have passed that, my fund of futures would have been so much better day, but here we are. It is what it is. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. We'll be live again tomorrow morning. And we'll catch you then. Take care and God bless.